Hi, my name is Kris Jagasia. I'm the CEO of Off2Class, and for the last 5 years, we've been powering some of the largest online ESL schools on the web. And I'm proud to announce that we've just published our latest customer story about VivaLing. VivaLing is a leading online language school, and even in today's climate, they are growing their student base using Off2Class to power their adult online ESL lessons. You can read the latest customer story on my LinkedIn profile, and I'd also like to mention that we're starting to work with a lot of bricks and mortar schools that are feeling the imperative to start offering online ESL lessons. It's one of our specialties, is getting schools like yours who have no experience with being online comfortable with the online environment. We've been training individual ESL teachers in schools about how to offer online ESL lessons for the last 5 years. And if travel restrictions are starting to affect your school, please do get in contact with me. It's Kris, K-R-I-S, at off2class.com. Get in touch with me and we can walk through how we can bring your school online. Take care.